will live longer, the sun or people? My IEP, the purpose was can I tell when the sun is going to die and what is causing the sun to die, and could we stop it? My hypothesis was that if I was to change the mass and the metal that's in the sun, we could change the lifespan to decrease it or increase it. My procedure, my minerals was I used online because it was a virtual activity, but my procedure was I changed the mass and the metal into different stages, and when I changed it, it either decreased or increased the stage of the sun. There are at least 8 stages of the sun before it dies. When I changed the mass, I found out that the more mass that is in the sun, the lower lifespan that it has. My background research. Elements that are in the sun are hydrogen, helium, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. The sun consumes about 6 million tons of hydrogen per second, which means that we couldn't stop it from the sun dying. Without hydrogen, there would be no sun, and we cannot stop or slow down the sun from consuming so much hydrogen. My results on the bottom is 2 of the stages that the sun has, and on the side is the radius of the sun as it goes through the different metals and mass that it has. The giant branch is the last stage of the sun before it dies, and it got up to 7 million in radius.
7 million miles. Kilometers, right?
Kilometers?
7 million kilometers?
Yeah. My conclusion. My hypothesis was correct.
We'll go back.
I am. My hypothesis was correct that if I changed the mass and the metal, the sun lifespan will change. In the experiment, I learned that the more mass the sun has, the less life it has. I also learned that the different stages of the sun vary in all things: colors, brightness, size, and the radius. So the first stage of the sun was like very small. It was up to like 6,000, and it was less brighter by the luminosity. And also I can predict that the sun will not die for another billion years. So yeah. Anybody has any questions?
You said that like your title page said like which will live longer, humans or the sun, but
Well, she's showing that the sun lasts at least another 100 years.
Which means we will die before the sun will, because before it reaches its last stage, we will already be dead from the heat.
Well, no. Okay. Okay.
The human race, correct?
Yes.